Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this double four fried rice recipe. You are going to love it. Loving mothers, gorgeous sweet mothers. Where are they? Come on, moms, come on. Today I have come to share with you this beautiful double four fried rice recipe that I usually eat with my family back in the days while I was in Nigeria. So today, just take a chill wine and sit down and watch me pull out this deliciousness for you to try out for this Easter for your family. Come on, guys, let's do this. My kidney beans. I've gone ahead to cook down my kidney beans the way I want it to be in the rice. This is double four recipe. There's this big restaurant, we call it double four. That's where you can get recipes like this. These are the kind of fried rice you will get in 5-star hotels. Okay, so I want to show you how to make this today. And here is my rice. You can use basmati rice. I'm actually using long grain rice. You can use basmati rice, but I want to use long grain rice for this recipe. Okay, and here are all the vegetables I'm going to be using, nicely washed and ready to go into the pot. I have green peppers here. This is green bell peppers, and I have this beautiful red bell peppers. So I'm going to go in with butter. For this recipe I'm using coconut oil and I'm using butter. I'm using this coconut oil. You can get this on Amazon. It's one of my supervisors that gave me this coconut oil as a gift, and this is the first time I'm going to be trying it. So we are using coconut oil, like I said. Add some coconut oil. You don't want too much oil in what you're cooking. So here is my sliced onion. I'm going to go in with your slice. This for 60 seconds. Just 60 seconds. So guys, here is my shrimp. I've gone ahead to marinate the shrimp with paprika, curry. I've marinated with chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and some onion flakes. I added some adobo seasoning and some Goya seasoning. So you can marinate your shrimp before you add it in with whatever marinade of your choice. Okay, we are going to add this here. Mix it all together, and you can use chicken for this recipe. You can use shrimp, whatever you want to use for this recipe. But this is shrimp. Actually, this is shrimp recipe. Okay, you can use chicken breasts also. I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to go in with my soy sauce. I'm going to go in with sesame oil. This is for flavor sake and a very delicious taste. I'm going to go in with this, about 2 spoons. I'm going to go in with this. This will infuse deliciousness into this fried rice. Ginger here. This recipe requires a lot of garlic. I've gone in to add a lot of garlic. I decided to add some chili peppers because I want it hot and spicy. Look at that deliciousness. I'll set this aside. In the same pot, I'm going to add some more oil. Go ahead and toast your vegetable in the same pot. I'm trying to be fast. Sometimes you can use another pot. Go in with your red bell pepper. Go in with your green bell pepper. Trust me, this is what makes your fried rice. This green liquid from the green pepper. Stir everything together. At this point, you can add some salt. You can add some maggi seasoning. Let's go in with a little pinch. Let it toast for about 2 minutes, guys, so that your vegetable don't get spoiled. because sometimes if your vegetable is not good, it's going to mess up your fried rice. So we'll allow this to toast for like 2 minutes and then we'll set it aside. Just bring your vegetables out, set it aside. Adding extra oil because I'm about to put the rice and the beans in. Your turmeric. Add your curry. Remember, this is fried rice. I like to go in with some onion flakes. I like to go in with some garlic powder. Go in with some onion powder if you don't have white pepper where you are. Toast this. Go in with your rice. Make sure you wash your rice very well. Parboil if you can. I like to parboil my rice. That way you're sure you're eating healthy. You don't want to eat all the starch from the rice, so that is the need to parboil. Mix everything to combine. This is the color we are aiming at, guys. We want this yellowish fried rice color. At this point, go in with your kidney beans, red kidney beans. I'll save this for another recipe. Have you tried this before? Do you know this recipe before? I'm showing you this because I love you. I love to show you the things that will be very helpful to you and your family. This is always good for your special occasion and special treat for your husband, for your children, for your friends and family. So this is 1 cup of all of those blended stuffs: garlic, ginger, and a little pepper for hotness. I added some onion also. Just put it in here and let it toast. Add some Goya seasoning because you want it tasty and delicious. Go in with this all purpose. Use whatever seasoning of your choice. Mix everything to combine. At this point, after mixing, go in with your chicken broth. Go in with your soy sauce. Go in with some seasoning oil. This is a fantastic, delicious fried rice recipe. I would have shown you guys this for a long. You can only get this in 5-star hotels. Trust me. Go in with some chicken broth. Now give it a mix. Go in with some water just to make sure your rice cooks nicely. Look at that. To add all of this shrimp and all the juices from the shrimp. You want this rice to cook very well. Introduce your shrimp and make sure you stir it again. You want everything to cook nicely. You want it soft. You don't want a very hard fried rice. You want to still enjoy that fried rice. Cover it with parchment paper. Just cover it up for 20-25 minutes. Our rice should be ready. Then we can dish. Here our rice is ready. Check this rice. Look at that deliciousness, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Guys. Look at all that deliciousness. I have some corn. This is fresh corn. I like to boil my corn my own way. You can use canned corn that's what you have. I like fresh items, fresh vegetables. Everything here is fresh, organic. This is too good. Guys, add spring onion, and if you want to go in with some more onion, you are free. Look at that delicious fried rice recipe. Guys, try this recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Very delicious. Very healthy recipe. Look at that. Very pleasing. Wow. So yummy. Several ways you can make a fried rice. I hope you have loved this video. Please try this for your parties. Try this for your hobby. Try this for your family, friends and loved ones. For your events. It's going to be a memorable one after this deliciousness. Thank you, Gucci's team, for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. Please watch this video to the end and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you all so much. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Time to chop. Come on, eat. I love to still see my vegetables green, fresh in my food. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe on the comment section. Guys, this is a very healthy rice recipe. Very delicious also. And trust me, children will love it. Your guests will love it. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.